Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Range Rover Evoque steering wheel. It's a simple process that can greatly improve your driving comfort. First, locate the adjustment lever, usually found beneath the steering column. This lever is designed for easy access. Pull the lever down firmly to unlock the steering wheel's position. Once unlocked, you can freely move the wheel up, down, in, or out to your preferred setting. Remember to make small adjustments until you find what feels right for you. Finding your optimal driving position is crucial for both comfort and control. After adjusting your seat, focus on the steering wheel. Ensure you can comfortably reach the pedals and all dashboard controls without stretching. When holding the steering wheel, your elbows should have a slight bend, not be locked straight. This allows for better maneuverability and reduces strain during longer journeys. A proper setup minimizes fatigue and enhances your overall driving experience, making every trip more enjoyable. Once you have found your ideal steering wheel position, it is essential to secure it properly. Push the adjustment lever firmly back into its original locked position. You should feel it click into place, indicating it is secure. Before you start driving, always give the steering wheel a gentle tug to verify it is completely locked and will not move unexpectedly. For safety, never attempt to adjust your steering wheel while the vehicle is in motion, as this could lead to a loss of control. Properly adjusting your steering wheel offers several significant benefits. It greatly improves your driving comfort, reducing fatigue, especially on longer trips. This enhanced comfort also contributes to better focus and alertness. Furthermore, an optimal steering wheel position provides enhanced control over your vehicle, which is vital for safe operation in various driving conditions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for any journey, and a comfortable driving position makes it even better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.